Let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Mm-hmm.
Corruption from your seat in Congress. Kung tuod ba ini? Where do you see the biggest leakages of public funds right now?
Well, ako to be honest, no, to be fair to members of Congress, and I just want to share this. Kami nga kongresista, we meet leaders, we get requests from them, and part of our job, kung mo kami iton face it national government, o sa ka-locality, hindi naman kilala mga kapitan, mga mayor, secretary, you know, matira kilala kami man. We get those requests. And then part of our job is to do whatever we can for those requests to be included in the budget. Is there a one formula to that? Waray. Depende gud leto kung kano ka maduroto. Is there certainty that we can
Get the budget.
get the budget? Waray. Kay it all depends on ano iton fiscal space available, hinit mo kaagaw. Di ba? May dalawa. Iba kay, you're not the only, you're one of 300 congressmen, one of almost 200 plus districts all over the country, all asking for the same, a share of the same pie. Now, I don't think corruption can happen there because no one person can actually control that. Diri kami ito nagbibidding. Diri kami ito mamayadit contractor. Diri kami naghihimuhiton program of work. These are all functions of the executive.
So, di da good lakabuha lawmaking.
Well, if we really have to be objective around it, yes, and because the budget also is a law, that it also becomes part of our job to set the budget. And, you know, the whole process of budget making is so designed nga ito sa nga kapitan, ordinary nga barangay, through iti kongresista, pwede umamot dito iton budget. I mean, umamot in suggestion, umamot in makakuha niya, maka-access ito niya. That's it. That's the constitutional design.
I see.
Now, corruption is clearly a deviation from that. Yeah. But it's important to pinpoint where it happens and who is most accountable.
I see.
And from where we are in Congress, although I cannot speak for all congressmen, no, I don't really. But from where I am, from what I see, it's difficult for us to just make a sweeping generalization nga kurakot in hirang tanan. It's also good to put into perspective, Ate Miriam. Is corruption the only problem, di ba? Kasi like, for example, why does corruption come in? Kung pananglitan, nag-apply kahing permit, usa na kasi wala pa ka-approve. So, mamimiling kang pagi papalaksihon ko, di mahatag ako dito yung mga tao na nag-approve. Di ba dapat aton o sa gyapkik nga silipon, di rin kung what went wrong, or kung ano iton nga pangawat. Banging gyapon, pwede naton ibanan ang mga opportunities para kay ano tao nagde-decide pagkadtuhin pansuhol or pangadtuhin pangawat na gobyerno. Di ba? I mean, like for example, if our system were so efficient, the procurement is efficient and there is no way that there could be intervention from any political group.
I see.
Di ba, we lessen also corruption? Because even if, this is something I've said many times, bis pa daw mamatay nga tanan niya kurakot yan nga gabi. Will you even think that we will be better tomorrow? It's good, it's important that the people are angry about corruption. And I agree. I also feel bad that corruption is there, no? But
Is there corruption is not in Congress.
no, I couldn't say that it's a perfect system in Congress. Di ba? I don't want to be in a quoted niya kasi there's no corruption in Congress. Any institution nga tao itagdudumara, may deton permi. Pero to think that nga may ada, nga tanan niya congressman kurakot. To say nga, corruption adala kongreso. To make sweeping generalizations nga itong institution amo na ito kasugad, I don't think that's fair.
Okay.
Nasa ring la ko nga, iton corruption happens because of so many factors. And maybe and if you look at, if they say it's because of the control of the congressman, we don't have a role in the actual procurement. We don't have a role in the actual disbursement. We don't even have a role in the implementation of the projects.
Correct.
There are people responsible for that. And many of these things happen because the system allows it to happen. And yes, I agree that we should be angry, that they should be outraged nga, masisina tao. Pero at a certain point, we have to decide nga, di rila sakto nga masina kita. We have to correct the system.
You've commented, if I'm not mistaken, you've commented months ago nga, corruption before, about the corruption before. What's one bill or reform you've filed or supported that directly targeted?
We authored the revised Government Procurement Act. It's an act that looks not only into the quantity of procurement, but also make sure that we go after the quality of government procurement. We're streamlining the procurement process. We're digitalizing significant parts of the procurement process. Even in Congress, we've pushed for the participation of civil society observers in the budget-making process. There were many steps done. No? Ako, honestly, Ate Miriam, and I've begun to accept nga, amo ito kaparte ito, ada ka politika. To be honest, there's so much has been done to improve the system.
Correct.
It's not enough, yes, and it will take time for our reforms to really, kumbaga, mangugat gudya.
Malito.
Pero may nananabo. How do I say this? At a certain point, kita nga mga Pilipino should somewhat go beyond just simply blaming ourselves and blaming others. And start really rolling up our sleeves and working on solutions. Diba?
It's on the way now.
Yes. Kasi ito niya, like for example, the Government Procurement Act is already applied na, di ba? Implemented na niya. Kaya di rin nakita lowest calculated and responsive bid. Ada nakita tinatawag na best value procurement. So, kikita na natin, ito hindi rin pinakabarato, kundi sigurado natin niya pinakakalidad. Kasi bisan hindi rin pinakabarato, kundi pinaka-responsive, pinaka-maupay nga klase.
Okay na.
Ito aton. And we even consider nila itong aftercare. Palit ka makina, palit kahin, kung wala maupay nga aftercare, lugi lagip kitong, kay karubeto, nanong tapagpaya. So, these are significant reforms actually, but they all point out one thing. And let me stress this Ate Miriam. It's really efficiency.
Correct.
Darud ako nga kwarta. It nawawara ha gobyerno, diri tungod pangawat, kung diri kawarayan, efficiency, ha aton pang gobyernuhan.